Hi and welcome to number 5 in the series on formal written methods, another exciting whistle-stop tour through short division. We've only got one more after this to go. This is short division, the bus-stop method as we call it in school, and it's for calculations like the ones you can see on the board in front of you. We're going to have a go through a few worked examples, look at what we mean by remainder, and then hopefully by the end of this video you'll be really confident in doing it. So carry on watching and good luck with some short division. So here we go with the bus stop method for division, and you can see there's lots of calculations here, so we're going to have a go through what we do when we do it. Now we call it bus stop because we end up drawing something that looks a little bit like a bus stop. So if I just do this calculation, so we put the number here, the divisor, the number we're dividing by, then we draw what looks a bit like a bus shelter on our bus stop and put the number we're dividing there. So lots of your parents will remember this method from when they were at school. So we first of all thinking about our 6 times tables. How many 6s are in 7? How many groups of 6 can I make with 7? I can make 1. And I have 1 left over, so we put that 1 there, so we carry it into the next. How many 6s are in 18? So I can go 6, 12, 18, which is 3 6s, no remainder there. And 6s into 4 go 0, remainder 4. Okay, now there's a couple of things we can do. We'll look at that perhaps another time where we can convert the remainder into a fraction or write the remainder as a decimal. But just for today, we're just going to get the basics of short division so everyone's really confident with that. So let's have a look first at this idea of a remainder. Why a remainder? What is a remainder? So here's the calculation, very simple, but within our bus stop method we're going to be doing lots like this. So 8 divided by 3 equals, what you're asking yourself is how many groups of 3 can I make with 8? So I've got my 8 squares there, arrange them into groups of 3. So here's 1, 2, 3. There's one complete group of 3. Another one, 1, 2, and 3. There's 2 complete groups of 3, and you can see I've got 2 left over here. So I can make 1 group, 2 groups, so 2, remainder 2. So I can make 2 groups of 3 there, 1 and then 2, with 2 left over, so remainder 2. So that's what we mean when we talk about remainders. So let's have a couple of goes at the bus stop method of division. Now it's really important you know your times tables, so practicing your times tables and that inverse. So when we think about our using bus stop division, we need to be really confident with our times table. So here's the calculation. So 4, so I'm thinking about my 4 times table, draw your bus stop, put the number in there. Now let's just have a little look. We've got an odd number here, 37, divided by an even number. So I know that every number in the 4 times tables is even. So that means I know already I'm going to have a remainder. So let's just go through. 4's into 3. How many groups of 4 can I make with 3? I can't make any. I haven't got enough. So take that 3 there next to the 7. 4's into 37. Now my 4 times tables. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36. That's 9 groups of 4. And I've got 1 left over because I've got to 36. And 1 more is 37, so 9 remainder 1. So that's where we need to know our times tables and be really confident with those. So let's just work through a few more examples. So we're starting off with everyone's favourite times table, the 7s. So this number here we call the divisor. So that's the divisor, so that goes at the front. Then we draw our bus stop, put our number we're dividing by there. Dividing, so 7's into 87, I can do 7's into 8, I can make 1 group of 7 with 8, I'll have 1 left over. 7's into 17 go 2 with a remainder of 3. I can also just double check that if I know my 7's, I can count in 7's, 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70, 72, 80, 77, 84, and then that takes me 12 times 7 is 84, plus 3 is 87. So a quick way to check, 12 times 7 equals 84, plus our remainder of 3 equals 87. So that's just a quick check. Next one just shows with slightly larger number, 784 divided by 5. Again, I've got a bit of a clue here that I'm going to have a remainder, because when I know every number in the 5 times table ends in either 5 or 0. So a multiple of 5 will always end in a 5 or a 0. 784 does not end in a 5 or a 0. So that means I will have a remainder. Okay, so let's write our calculation out. 5s into 784, just work it through. 5s into 7, I can make one group of 5 with 7, remainder 2. 5s into 28, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 goes 5, remainder 3. 5s into 34 goes 6, with a remainder of 4. Okay, so in years 3 and 4, children start using these methods. Okay, and we can go up to 4 digits by 1 digit. We use the bus stop method when we're within our own times table knowledge. So if we're confident with times tables, we can use it. Once we get out of times tables and the divisor is something we're quite unfamiliar with, that's when we start using long division, which is in another video. So let's just work through these last 2 examples. 8 into 3,689. So 8 into 3 don't go, you can't make a group of 8 with 3, so carry the 3. 8 into 36, 8, 16, 24, 32 is 4 times. 32 up to 36 is 4, so that carries. 8 into 48 goes 6, and no remainder. 8 into 9 goes 1, remainder 1. And then the last one here, 12, so still in our times table knowledge, into 4,512. So 12s into 4 don't go, remainder 4. Okay, because I'd have 4 left over. I'd make no groups of 12, but I'd still have my 4 left over. 12s into 45 go 3, remainder 9, because it's from 36 up to 45. 12s into 91 go 7, remainder 7, and 12s into 72 go 6. Okay, so that's a whistle stop tour through short division. Hope you enjoyed it, and good luck with it. Stay watching, and there'll be another video on long multiplication, which is one of the trickiest concepts in Key Stage 2 Maths, but hopefully you'll get yourself really familiar with short division. Good luck and see you soon.